Hey everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can set your home Xbox on Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, and this also applies to any Xbox One console, whether that be the original, the One S, or the One X. This applies the same between every Xbox system. So this is how you set it as a home Xbox. Now there's a number of reasons why you'd want to do this, but we're going to be going over those in here a second. So for those of you who just want to see exactly how you do this, this is how. You go down to My Games and Apps, then from here to your Apps section, down to Settings, and then here from Settings, you're going to want to come over from General into Personalization, and then at the very bottom will be My Home Xbox. You click on that, and as it says here, if you make this your home Xbox, people can play your downloaded games without you signing in. Plus, if you have gold, your whole household gets to enjoy gold on this Xbox. And you can just click on this button here down at the bottom, make this my home Xbox, and this Xbox, whatever system you are on, will be your home Xbox. Now, let me explain and give you guys an example of what this will do. So, as it says here, you can play games that you've downloaded without you signing in, and if you have gold, your whole household can enjoy gold. And using this method is how you can actually share things between different people. So an example I'm going to use is my real life example here. I am game sharing currently with my brother. So my brother has a new Xbox console. He has an Xbox Series S, and his Xbox is my home Xbox. So the Xbox I am showing you guys this on, the one I play on, is not my home Xbox. Now the reason why I'm setting his console as my home Xbox is so that way he can play any of the games I have purchased through my account. Plus, as it says here, since I have gold, I have Xbox Game Pass Ultimate actually, he can enjoy all those benefits on his system. So this way, when we want to play games together, we don't have to buy 2 copies of games. He can play the game because I have purchased it. Same thing also applies with gold. He can play games online, he can use Xbox Live Gold because I have purchased it. So also by doing that, since this console I'm on right now is not my home Xbox, if I am not signed into my account, I cannot play these games. If I want to play the games I have downloaded on this system, I have to be signed into my account. See, that's kind of the whole purpose of this, is since I am always signed into my account, it doesn't matter what system I play on the system that does not have my home Xbox associated with it. It's kind of complicated. I hope you guys understood that. But basically the same deal if you say have a friend or a family member, somebody like me who has purchased lots of games, who has Xbox Live, and you want to share those same benefits, you can set your Xbox as their home Xbox. You have to sign into their account, right? So for this example, you have to be signed into this account already before you go into these settings, and then from there you come in here and click this button, make this my home Xbox, and then it will allow you to do all these things. Like I said, you can play games without being signed in, and you can also have gold without being signed in on that account as well. With any account, I should also add. It doesn't matter what account it is. Any account on that Xbox can play games online, and they will enjoy all the benefits of gold. So this is how you do family sharing. It's really awesome and nice feature. This is what allows my brother and I to play games online together without spending the money on purchasing 2 copies of every single game. It's a really, really great feature, and I hope you guys take advantage of this as well. But that is it, guys. If you guys have any questions about this, let me know in the comments down below. On any of these tutorial videos, anything like this, I always try my best to help you guys out. If for some reason I am unable to answer your question in the comments, we got a great community as well, and I'm sure somebody will be able to answer it. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If this video helped you or you learned something, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.